Hey friends, Kevin Ostie giving you a quick update on the yellow 69 Camaro project we're working on. You remember the one with the 6-cylinder under the hood. A lot of great feedback last time from the video we posted. So we appreciate everybody who took the time to share a story or some feedback on this car. It was about a 50-50 split of those who said keep it a 6-cylinder versus, I don't know, put a 632 big block with a turbo or something else on it. It's going to be a neat car no matter what. It's interesting because we shared the first video where we walked around and took a look at it, mostly assembled. Now that we're starting to take things apart, we can see like what does the floor look like in the car and the quarter panels and things now that some of the trim has been removed. The taillights are out and bumpers and all that kind of stuff. This is a basic base model Camaro. The interior was green, and here we've got it mostly all disassembled inside. And at first glance, our floors look pretty nice. We got a little surface rust, little hole there, but nothing super terrible. Footwells are a little rusty, but that's kind of what happens on these cars. Dashboard came out cleanly. We still have some of the front sheet metal on. Usually, these cars tend to rust down inside there behind this fender. And the reason for that is as leaves and debris would accumulate here, they'd go down this hole inside there. You can see there's the same corresponding hole. And the stuff just kind of accumulates between the fender and the inside of the cowl there, causing some rust. We'll see. It doesn't look terrible, but the big question was, what are we going to do with this original engine? I'm kind of happy to report that it's going to stay. We're going to keep the 6-cylinder in this car. We're going to remove it from the car for restoration, do a compression test on it, check it all out, see what kind of shape it's in. I don't know if if it turns out that it's in really bad shape, it's got a really bad rod or something, we'll make the decision if we're going to remachine it and rebuild it, or maybe do something else at that point. But we had it running briefly, and it seems to be pretty quiet, so I think it's going to stay with the car, and that's pretty cool. The rest of the car is going to go pretty much back to original, which means butternut yellow with the stripe and with the green interior. So that's our quick update on our yellow 6-cylinder Camaro. If you have any thoughts on this car, you're always welcome to share them in the comments. And if you've got an old Camaro like this or a muscle car classic you want to see restored, you can always reach us at v8speedshop.com. Who knows, maybe someday you're watching a video like this about your car.